Napakawalang hiya nung tao na yun, Mr. Chair. Bigla ba niya naman sinabi, tingnan niyo yung mukha ni Marcoleta kung matatawa kayo.
Gigisahin kita rito, makinig kang vice ganda ka dahil salot ka sa lipunan. Kung nandito ka lang sa susungal-ngaling kung mukha mo, makinig ka.
It took superstar comedian Vice Ganda just 2 words to break and expose the DDS, or deranged Duterte fanatics.
Nothing beats a jet ski holiday. Right now from Manila to West Philippine Sea via jet ski.
Jet ski. Yep, that very simple, very cutesy, very demure and harmless parody bit from Vice Ganda was enough to make Duterte's political cult snap. They totally lost it. Pero in reality, si Vice Ganda pa ang nag-expose sa kanila.
Ano ang feelings mo na nadadamay na rin ng nanay mo?
Tatatarin namin kayo ng mga comment. Hindi namin kayo tatantanan.
What about we change your name from Vice Ganda to Vice Pangit?